welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be my morning routine video. Ang tagal ko na gustong i-film tong video na to. Kaya lang kailangan ko siyang i-timing na hindi masyadong nagmamadali sa Dan para sa trabaho kasi, you know, he's part of my morning routine. Pero finally, na-film ko na siya. Sana magustuhan nyo. I had so much fun doing it. Na-share ko din sa video na to yung capsicum recipe na sobrang gustong-gusto ni Dan ibaon sa trabaho. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And without further ado, here is our morning routine. So, ganito nagsisimula yung morning namin. Mag-a-alarm yung phone ni Dan. I-check niya yung phone niya. Siguro meron siyang check na email and stuff like that. And then, iniiba niya yung oras ng alarm. Tapos, natutulog siya ulit. Siguro mga 10 minutes or sometimes 15 minutes. Ito ako, hinawakan ko yung tenga ni Dan. This is one of my weird habits na I didn't really mention on the tag. But yeah, I always do this. It annoys him, but whatever. Finally, babangon na siya, magsha-shower na siya, and I go ahead and check my emails. Siguro mga 3 to 5 minutes ko chine-check yung emails ko. And then, I always make sure na I make the bed kasi sobrang dali lang naman i-make. So, why not, right? And then, I take my robe kasi malamig today. And then, I head to the kitchen. So, dito, ginagawa ko yung tea ni Dan. Hindi na siya nagko-coffee ngayon kasi he is under the 30-day detox program ng tea na to. So, every morning, kailangan niyang inumin yung skinny tea for 30 days. So, this is what I'm doing. Nag-a-add lang ako ng 1 teaspoon na tea. Tapos, a little bit of honey para hindi masyadong tsaka yung taste. And then, that's his tea. Pag ready na yung tea, I go ahead and prepare his lunch na ginawa ko actually the night before. And I will show you guys how I did this very, very simple lunch. All you need is 1 big capsicum or bell pepper. Ganyan kalaki. And then kukunin ko lang yung parang green part niya. There. And then kukunin ko din yung seeds para walang seeds, you know? And before this, naka-preheat na pala yung oven ng 180 degrees Celsius. Now, I'm just taking this, ano bang tawag dito? Parang tray. Basta, tas nilagyan ko lang siya ng baking paper para hindi dumikit yung capsicum sa tray. Nalalagay ko yung capsicum and then ito yung mga kailangan mo para sa recipe na to. Sobrang simple lang. Cheese, eggs, bacon bits. So, nilagyan ko lang ng salt and pepper yung capsicum, tapos nilagay ko siya sa oven. Then, after 20 minutes, kunin mo na siya from the oven and ganito yung itsura niya. And then, you will now put the cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese right here. You can use mozzarella if you want, but yeah, we don't have that. So, nag-cheddar lang ako. And then, nag-add ako ng isang egg. So, 1 egg each, like half of a capsicum. Pagkatapos niyan, lalagyan ko siya ng salt and pepper. And then, after that, ilalagay ko yung bacon. Yung bacon, niluto ko na siya. Not niluto, pero fernay ko siya. You don't have to do this actually. Like, pwede naman nahilaw yung bacon na ilagay mo dito kasi maluluto naman siya sa oven mamaya. But, wala lang. Niluto ko lang siya beforehand. And, yeah, lagyan mo lang siya ng bacon. After that, ilagay mo yung cheese. And you guys, ito yung isa sa mga paborito ni Dan na ibaon sa work kasi sobrang dali lang niya dalhin, hindi siya messy kainin. So yeah, that's the simple capsicum recipe na sobrang yummers. So balik na tayo sa araw na to. Ilalagay ko lang siya sa baunan ni Dan. And then, yung tea, i-ready na natin just to make sure na bonggang-bongga na yung tea. Tapos, yan na yung baon niya. Now, punta na tayo sa labas. Ihatid na natin si Mr. Bear. So, lagi niyang nilalagay yung keys niya dyan sa door handle na yan para hindi niya daw makalimutan. Ganyan siya. Organized siya na tao. Bongga din naman itong taong to. And then, I opened the garage. So, yeah. Ito na. I'm just handing him his key, handing him his baon, and his tea. And then, the hug and the kiss from Mr. Bear. And then, kapag nakaalis na si Dan, that's the time na magko-coffee na ako. Yung coffee na iniinom ko lately is yung Moccona, yung original na Moccona. Hindi ko siya masyadong bet, but kailangan ko itong ubusin. And then, nilagyan ko lang siya ng sugar. And then, pumupunta ako dito sa part ng bahay niya. Dito ako nag-edit sa... nakaupo lang ako sa floor, tapos, yeah, inom-inom ng kape. So, ito na yung breakfast ko, kape, at saka yung Italian pastry na nabili ko sa malapit na grocery dito. So, nagre-reply lang ako sa mga emails. And then, since tapos na ako kumain, time na pakainin naman natin ang aming Joby Boy. So, kain ka na, Joby Boy. And I actually filmed this video on a Friday. And Friday at saka Monday yung schedule ng laundry ko. So, I'm just doing laundry because it's Fridays. And then after ng laundry, I head back to the living room para mag-edit. So, balik na ako dito. Mag-i-edit ako ng video before ako maligo para nakasave yung video while naliligo ako. Para pagkatapos ko maligo, nakasave na yung video ko and pwede na siya i-upload. So, ganito na talaga yung routine ko everyday kasi you guys know I upload everyday, so I edit everyday. And I make sure na na-edit ko yung video before ako maligo. Para again, saving siya while naliligo ako. And yeah, ito lang. Nakaupo lang ako sa floor. Edit, edit, edit. Yung editing ko usually takes at least 30 minutes and then maximum 2 hours. Depende sa video na ine-edit ko. And then after that, time to ligo na. I go to the bathroom, of course. First thing I do is in-on ko yung shower para to give it time na mag-warm yung tubig. So I just take off my jewelry and then I jump sa shower. Let me know if you want me to do the shower routine video para mapakita ko sa inyo kung anong ginagamit ko while naliligo ako and after ako maligo. After ako maligo, first thing I do is nilalagay ko yung contacts ko. I make sure na nilalagay ko siya right after maligo na wala pang products yung kamay ko. And then I proceed sa aking skincare routine. Meron akong skincare routine video, so if you wanna see that, I will leave the link of that video below. But yung na-add lang sa skincare routine ko na wala sa video na yon is itong toner, yung from Mario Badescu na toner. And then yeah, and then pagkatapos niyan, kakain na ako ng lunch. I'm just having this packet pasta and while eating lunch, I'm watching a YouTube video. And that's basically it for the video. And that's basically it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like this video if you want to see my shower routine video. Kung gusto nyo lang naman malaman ko ano yung ginagamit ko while I was doing my shower and right after a shower, like, you know, deodorant and lotion. I do not know if you want to know that, but please do like this video if you want to see that. And that's basically it. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye!